this one po, yung crowning of Sister Nali on her birthday. Philip, can you do the crowning? The crowning of the birthday celebrant. And can I ask one of the favorite daughter? Any volunteer of the favorite daughter? To please come in the front. And no daughter? Any favorite daughter in the front, please? You need to give the sass to your mommy for her birthday. And take picture, please. Opo.
Ako naman ang queen namin.
Happy birthday po again.
Thank you.
And we were saying earlier because everybody on a birthday celebration, everybody leaves after dinner. So we would like to have her another birthday song and then we will blow the cake before we eat the dinner. So can we put in the happy birthday song? So ready for your cameras, please. That way everybody can join in the singing of the birthday song with the celebrant. And then after that, you guys can start eating. And after